to complete Morph 3 here in assignment 6, you're now going to set up your own file, and you're going to just create your own start shape and of course morph it into something different. So to begin, look at what it's asking you for your new file. An ActionScript 3.0, size 550 by 400 pixels, 12 frames per second. So we are going to go to File, New, or Command N. And here in the detail area, you can see it defaults to pixels. We're just going to set it up at 550 by 400. And the only reason I'm making you enter the specific size is so that I know you can do it. And frame rate never lower than 12, but for this exercise, 12 is fine, and it should default to ActionScript 3.0. And create. Okay, so we have a stage set up. The place where all of our performance or animation goes is your stage. And you can create any shape you want. You can draw your own shape if you choose using the paintbrush. You can take a pre-created shape, and usually for these exercises that's all I've been using, but you can do any shape you choose. Just don't redo what we've already done. Okay, so I'll go with the circle and click and drag. So there's an oval. If I want an exact circle, I'll hold my shift key when I click and drag. Not that you have to have it exactly anything, whatever shape you choose. And notice the color my shape is filled with is the color you see here on top. That's your fill color. And of course my outline color or stroke color is this lined stroke color box you see behind the fill. You can use your arrow to swap those colors. You can use the default setting to go to black and white and swap those, or double click on or just click on the fill, pick whatever color you want, click on the stroke, pick whatever color you want. You can adjust the size stroke, meaning the line around your shape can be made larger. Oh, I should actually. Let's select it. Use stroke size. We can just use a slider. We can select and go into color and choose whatever color works best for you. I really am not into that pink. Okay, I just swapped it. So you have a shape to start with, whatever shape you choose. And the same exact process when you morphed your square to circle and hex to star shape, you're going to morph your original shape to something else. F6 to add new keyframe, or you can always go to Insert, Timeline, Keyframe. And when you press F6 or Insert Keyframe, it automatically duplicates the art on the previous keyframe. So again, I can just hover to make changes. F6 again. I could choose to use my subselection tool to click and select the actual anchor points to click to activate, then click and drag. And you can make more than one change in each keyframe. You do not have to just do one, moving yourself around. Let's go. You can have opposites. So if you'll notice, I'm clicking on an anchor point to activate it. I'll go this way this time. And then I click and drag. Click to activate, click and drag. And of course I can click these handles so I can adjust the arc or angle between 2 points. Okay. I think I'm going to take it in more. F6. F6. Let's see what we have. So, let's adjust this one as well. Maybe we'll adjust this one. All kinds of adjusting. All right, and it says here that you want to create a 3-second animation. So do the math. If there are 12 frames per second, that means your animation is 36 frames. So you'd need to continue adding keyframes until you got to 36. That would be 3 seconds of morphing. Once you've completed 3 seconds of morphing, save it and submit.